What is up, everybody? It's Ben with Srkcycles.com, and today I've got a 2005 Yamaha FZ1. This is the inline 4 motor, the like 996 or something. It's the 1000 class, 2005. It's got like 16,000 miles on it, and it's in pretty nice shape. Don't miss out on the test drive that Sean did. It should be up on YouTube, and it'll be a good way to see this bike out on the road, learn more about it. Let's walk around it real quick. So this rear tire is in good shape. It does have that sport bike rear tire. Not too bad on the chicken strips there. Guy rode it pretty well. Got the undertail, the Yamaha undertail. Remember that looks kind of like the one on the old R6. There you see the exhaust. The exhaust is looking pretty good. Got your rear peg. In there you can see the rotor. Rear tires looking good. Rear wheels looking good. It's got the tender on it. Coming across here, we got the rider peg, rear brake, get the shield to your boots. The motor bay looking good. Here you can see the carburetors. That side panel is looking good too. Up here on the tank, on the side of the tank, there's some light little scuff marks in here. Definitely not scratches, but some light little scuff marks. And the guy wrote it. It is a 2005. It is not a museum piece, but it is a good running motorcycle, and it actually looks pretty nice for being an 05. I like the Yamaha blue. Your turn signals. Coming across here up front, got the blacked out windscreen. Your mirrors up there. Got the headlights in here looking good. Look at this front fender. This front fender's in pretty good shape. There's a scratch right there. Looks like a little chip. Yeah, anyway, there's some light scratches there. It looks pretty gnarly on the video, but it's not that bad as it looks. There's the front tire. Front tire's got plenty of life left on it. Good to go. Almost missed out on the forks there. They come up through the front fairing. Got the dual rotors up front. You can also see the wheel. Coming up this side of the fork tubes, they're looking good. Come to the fairing, same thing. This front fairing's got some markings here on the front, but nothing bad, no like giant chips. Here on this side though, you guys can see that without the reflection. And there you go, you can see a little bit better there. I don't know what that is. It's like a rub mark. Why the rub there, I don't know. There's definitely nowhere else in the bike does it look like it was up against anything, or like it was ever down. But that spot right there, wearing through the paint. Here on this side of the tank is looking good. Not much to report, which is always a good thing. Want to see nice clean bikes. Again, you get your carbs there. It is a carbureted bike. We'll see that on the controls a little bit later. Don't miss out on the test drive that Sean did. Again, this is a 2005 Yamaha FZ1. Side panel there is looking pretty good. Got your rider peg, shift knob. This bike does have a side stand and a center stand. Don't know why you would want that, but if you do, you're in luck because this one's got it. Got your passenger peg. Got your helmet hooks. Come along here on the back. Here's going to be one of the quirks of this bike, is it does have this giant sticker on the tail. If you love Glock, you're in luck. This bike is for you. Got the handles there for the passenger. Got your passenger seat. Got your rider seat. Here on the tank, there is a mark here. It's a little bit hard to see in the video. It's like a smudge. Like there's nothing there to feel. Like there's not a scratch or anything like that. And there is this dent in the tank. You can see the light reflecting off of that. There's also some light scratching here above that dent. I don't know what that's from. Again, it's not like, it's just like scuffs. On this side of the tank is looking good. Coming up here to the gauges. I'll turn that on in a second. Here's this side of the controls. There is your choke. That's your mirror. This side of the gauge, or controls, I mean. Turn it on. As you can see, it's got 16,368 miles. And let me fire this thing up for you real quick so you can hear it run. As I go by, so you can hear me talk. You have seen it run, and we're going to check on the signals, make sure the signals work. We've got your front signal there, got your rear signal there, you got your rear signal there, and your front signal there. Alright guys, like I said, this is a 2005 Yamaha FZ1. Don't miss out on the test drive that Sean did, and don't miss out on this bike. It's not going to last long. Thanks so much for watching, guys. See you later.